How to disable ads in YouTube. If you're wondering how to disable ads in YouTube, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So there are different ways that you can disable ads in YouTube. For example, if you go to the top web address right here and next to watch, go ahead and type in underscore popup and then press enter. So if you do that, you'll be taken to this new part of YouTube, and you'll be able to watch this without any recommendation, without any ads. So this whole 11 hours will not be disrupted by any type of ads, whatever. Now you can also do this by going to Chrome Store. So go ahead to Chrome Web Store right here. And in the where it says search the store right here at the left side, type ad guard. So here the first option that says ad guard, ad blocker, go ahead and click on that. So go ahead and click on add to Chrome. So go ahead and press on add extension. So you can install it for your Windows, or you can just continue with the extension. So these are the ad guard extensions. You can turn on which ones that you like. And once you fix these extension settings, I'm just going to turn this on. And then you will have successfully installed this. And you'll be able to watch your YouTube video without any ads. And this will work for other sites as well. So that is how you can disable ads in YouTube.